Hello my dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. Already you have completed your pre-midterm examinations and you have already received your maths copy, exam copy. You have done a great job. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is unit conversions of length. You know that the chapter we are continuing, that is long and short, it is related to length measurement. Today we will start the topic by discussing different units of length. We know that in ancient age people use their body parts to measure the length, but different people have different lengths of body parts. For that reason, scientists invented the standard unit of measurement. So now we need to know that what is the standard unit of length, because the standard unit of length is meter. That means when we discussing about the main measurement of length, that time we have to use the base unit or the standard unit, that is meter. And the smaller units are millimeters, centimeters, etc. And the bigger units are kilometers, miles, etc. Now, can you tell me which standard unit will you use to measure the length of a book? When we measure the length of a book, that time which standard unit we can use? Which unit we can use? When we measure the length of a swimming pool, that time which kind of unit we will use? The distance. When we measure the distance between two cities, that time what unit we can use? Like that time we will use kilometer. When we want to measure the distance of your house to school, that time also we can use kilometer. When we want to measure our nail length, that time we can use millimeter. Now let us learn units of lengths and their symbol in metric system. Today the metric system of measures has been adopted by almost all nations. In this system, there are different types of units like kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. And every unit has an abbreviation. Like kilometer, we can use the short form of kilometer like km in small letter. Hectometer, hm. Decameter, dm. Meter, m. Decimeter, dam. Centimeter, dm. Millimeter, mm. So, you have to remember this list. Now, we are going to start the metric system of conversion. Already, we have learned about different units of metric system of length. Now we will learn the conversion. When we want to convert or change any unit, any smaller unit into a bigger unit, that time what process we have to follow? That we can easily understand by using this ladder method. See here, in each staircase, how many staircases are there? How many steps are there in a staircase? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 staircases are there. See, in the green step, I have written meter, because meter is the standard unit of length. So, when you want to move from bigger unit kilometer to smaller unit millimeter, that time you have to multiply. You have to multiply. See the arrow sign. When you want to convert any bigger unit to smaller unit, that time you have to multiply. Multiply by the number of steps. We need to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, that time we have to multiply. Multiply by 10 each steps. 10 each steps means, suppose you are converting kilometer to millimeter, then count the number of steps like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to multiply it by 1 into 6 zeros in this way, and it will be reverse process. Like when you have to convert any smaller unit into bigger unit, that time you have to divide it by 10 each steps. 10 each steps means you have to divide it by 10 each steps. For example, 1 km equals to 1000 meter. 1 meter equals to, example, 1 km equals to 1000 meter. 1 meter equals to 100 semi, and 1 semi equals to 10 millimeter. Now let us practice. Question number 1. Convert the following into meters. Question number 1A, 7 km. Question number 1B, 10 km. We have to convert this, following these questions into, following these units into meters. So km to meter. First of all, think about the staircase. Km is the top position, is in the top position. So we have, and km is the bigger one. So from bigger, we have to convert here from km to meter. That means bigger to smaller. That time we have to multiply from the ladder method. So we have to multiply. So now just see the procedure. What I have done here. We know that 1 km equals to 1000 meter. So 7 km equals to 7 into 1000 meter. So equals to 7000 meter. B number question answer. Here also we know that 1 km equals to 1000 meter. So 10 km equals to 10 into 1000 meter. Why it is multiplication? Because we are changing kilometer into meter. That means bigger to smaller. Whenever you change bigger unit into smaller unit, that time you need to multiply. So how many steps are there? There is 3 steps. So 30 will be put. So that means 1000. So 10 into 1000 equals to 10,000 meter. So the answer is 10,000 meter. One thing you have to remember for this type of problem, that is, do not forget to write proper unit in each step. See, in which step you have convert that, from that step you have to write the proper unit. C number question, it is little bit different from the previous two. See, I have shown two processes. Which method you prefer most, you can use that. But I prefer most the first one, what I have shown here, and I have done all the sums in this method only. So if you want, you can use the second method also. So the first method, what I have done, the question is that 6 km 340 meter, we have to convert it into meter. So here 2 units are involved. We have to convert it in meter, as in the question, that is km is given. So we have to convert km to meter first. So first, what we know? We know that 1 km equals to 1000 meter. Now write the question, 6 km 340 meter. Here you need to separate first. First you need to separate, like 6 km plus 340 meter. Now you have to convert the km portions. That means 6 km in 6 km's place we can convert 6 into 1000, that is 1000 meter plus 340 meter. As 340 meter in for meter only, so no need to change the unit. So 6000 meter plus 340 meter equals to 6340 meter. This is one way of solving this sum. I will explain the another method. That is, we know that 1 km equals to 1000 meter, because as km is involved, so we have to convert first the km portion into meter. So 6 km, first we need to convert it. Like 6 km equals to 6 into 1000. That means 6000 meter. Then just we have to add 6 km 340 meter equals to 6000 meter plus 340 meter. Now we can add 6340 meter as it is in same unit. So in this way you can solve. Here in D number question I have done the first method because I prefer most the first method, but if you want you can do this another method also. And see what I have done here. But whenever you use any of this method, if you write the wrong unit, your marks will be cut. So be careful whenever you write the unit should be correct. So we know that 1 km equals to 1000 meter. Now we need to separate first, then we have to convert, then again we have to add, and we will get the answer, that is 9225 meter. Now the second question, that is convert into centimeters. So the questions are A 5 meter. So 5 meter, from 5 meter you have to convert it into centimeter. So meter to centimeter, that means bigger to smaller. Whenever we want to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we need to multiply. So for meter, decimeter, centimeter, that means 2 steps are there. So we need to we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So why it is 100 centimeter? You have got it because 2 steps are there. So 2 0 will be put beside 1. So 5 meter equals to 5 into 100 centimeter. See, where you want to convert, you want to change the unit, there only you have to write the unit. So 5 meter equals to 500 centimeter. And see, same process for B. The question is, question number C, 5 meter 60 centimeter into centimeter. We have to convert 5 meter 60 centimeter into centimeter. See, it is different from the first two. Here, meter and centimeter are involved. So we have to convert first the meter portion into centimeter. As I have chosen the first method, so in C, see how I have done it. We know that 1 meter equals to 100. So 5 meter 60 centimeter, first we need to separate 5 meter plus 60 centimeter. Then we have to convert the meter portion. Whenever we convert it, that time no need to write meter again. You have to converting it, so you can write centimeter. So 5 into 100 centimeter plus 60 centimeter equals to 500 centimeter plus 60 centimeter equals to 560 centimeter. In question number D, again I have followed the same procedure. We know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So the question is 10 meter 1 centimeter into centimeter. We have to convert 10 meter 1 centimeter into centimeter. So first separate, then convert, then add, then you get the result. So 10 meter plus 1 centimeter, then 10 into 10 meter. First of all you need to convert meter into centimeter. Meter to centimeter, that means we need to multiply because bigger to smaller. Whenever we want to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, that time we need to multiply. So 10 into 100 equals to 1000 centimeter plus 1 meter. So 1001 centimeter. One thing you need to remember, that is you have to write proper unit in proper place whenever you change that time. So here in this question we need to convert all the units into millimeters. The first question is 4 centimeter given. So we know that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter because millimeter comes after centimeter. So 4 centimeter equals to As millimeter is the smaller unit than centimeters, so we need to multiply. Multiply it by 10. So 4 into 10 equals to 40 millimeter. So 4 semi is equals to 40 millimeter. Now for the next one, we know that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So again we have to follow the same procedure, that is centimeter equals to 50 millimeter, because we need to multiply it by 10. So must write the proper unit in. Today this is our last question. Question number C, 4 semi, 5 millimeter, 2 millimeter. So what I have done, I have used that process. First of all I have separated and then convert, then I have added. So I have done a mistake here. You have to find out what is my mistake and you have to write it in my comment box. So what is my mistake? Find out. So till then, tata, bye bye.